Welcome to Purexy. Are you curious about the remarkable transformations that occur in your body when you make the life-changing decision to quit smoking? Quitting smoking has numerous positive effects on your overall health and well-being. You will discover the incredible ways in which your body begins to heal and rejuvenate itself once you leave smoking behind. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. So, if you're ready to uncover the positive changes that await you on your smoke-free journey, let's dive in and explore the amazing transformations that occur in your body when you quit smoking. Let's go! 1. Improved lung function. When you quit smoking, your body starts to experience remarkable improvements in lung function within just 30 days. Firstly, the inflammation in your airways begins to decrease, allowing for easier and more efficient breathing. As a result, you may notice reduced coughing and wheezing. Additionally, the small hair-like structures called cilia in your lungs, which help to clear mucus and protect against infections, start to regain their function. This leads to a decrease in the buildup of mucus and a lower risk of respiratory infections. With improved lung function, your lung capacity increases, enabling you to take in more oxygen and experience enhanced physical endurance. 2. Reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Firstly, your blood pressure begins to decrease, reducing the strain on your heart and blood vessels. The carbon monoxide levels in your blood also decline, allowing your red blood cells to carry oxygen more efficiently. As a result, your heart starts functioning more optimally, and the risk of heart attack and stroke starts to decrease. Additionally, the lining of your blood vessels begins to repair itself, reducing the formation of plaques and improving blood flow. With each passing day, your cardiovascular system becomes stronger, and the risk of developing heart disease steadily decreases. By quitting smoking, you are taking a vital step towards improving your heart health and ensuring a healthier future. 3. Enhanced sense of taste and smell. When you stop smoking, the damage caused by tobacco smoke to your taste buds and olfactory receptors begins to reverse. As a result, your ability to taste flavors becomes more vibrant and enjoyable, and your sense of smell becomes more acute. Foods and beverages regain their richness, and you may discover new layers of flavor that were previously masked by smoking. This improvement in taste and smell can enhance your overall eating experience and make healthy foods more appealing. It's a wonderful reminder of how your body can heal and restore its natural abilities when you choose to quit smoking. So, within just 30 days of being smoke-free, you can savor the delightful world of flavors and scents that surround you, adding a new dimension to your daily life. 4. Decreased cancer risk. Quitting smoking for as little as 30 days can lead to a significant decrease in your risk of developing various types of cancer. When you stop smoking, your body immediately begins to repair the damage caused by tobacco smoke. Within just a month of being smoke-free, the levels of harmful chemicals in your body start to decline, reducing the risk of cellular mutations and the formation of cancerous cells. Notably, the risk of lung cancer, throat cancer, mouth cancer, esophageal cancer, and bladder cancer begins to decrease. Each day without smoking brings you closer to a healthier future, as your body continues to heal and regenerate. 5. Strengthened immune system. The harmful chemicals in tobacco smoke that weaken your immune system are gradually eliminated from your body. As a result, your immune system becomes more robust and efficient at fighting off infections and illnesses. Within a month of quitting, you may notice a reduction in the frequency and severity of respiratory infections, such as colds and flu. Furthermore, your body's ability to heal and recover from illnesses improves. By quitting smoking, you are giving your immune system the opportunity to regain its strength and protect you better against diseases. So, within just 30 days, you can experience a noticeable boost in your immune function, leading to a healthier and more resilient body. In conclusion, quitting smoking brings about a multitude of positive changes in your body that can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Furthermore, by quitting smoking, you are taking a proactive step towards preventing serious diseases such as cancer and improving your overall quality of life. It's important to remember that these positive changes continue to occur and accumulate over time, reinforcing the importance of a smoke-free lifestyle. So, if you're considering quitting smoking or have already embarked on your journey, know that your body is capable of remarkable healing and rejuvenation. By choosing to quit smoking, you are embracing a healthier future and giving yourself the gift of improved health and vitality. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.